The short answer to your question is no, we do not. Nor can any lawyer guarantee results on any matter that is entrusted to him or her. What we can do with you is step by step assess your circumstances, what knowledge we have available, what knowledge we can uncover. And once we have facts with which to work, we can then together with you, and we do this weekly on a large complex case, we can assess a list of potential assets upon which we seek recovery. And with respect to each of those assets, we can discuss the hurdles of securing them, liquidating them, and applying them to your judgment. We can discuss with respect to each of those assets the cost to do that, the time required to do that, and the most likely impediments or issues that could be raised by the debtor to slow us down, divert us, exhaust us, or stop us. And so we go for the low-hanging fruit, and we go for the assets that have the greatest equities and the assets that have the greatest value, or, and oftentimes we blend this, we also go for the assets that will cause the most difficulty for the debtor. I like to take away the debtor's toys, whatever they may be, and a wife and the mistresses don't like to be deposed in general, especially when they're in the same room, or one must follow the other into the deposition room. For some reason, the debtors just don't tend to get excited about that sort of thing, or they don't like to be subjected to physical examinations by doctors under court order if I'm trying to value a life estate. But this gets us into other topics and other questions. The short answer to your question is no, no one can guarantee results, but with you together, we can evaluate the likelihood of success, asset by asset, and the timing, and together make hopefully informed business decisions for your benefit. If you have other questions in your particular circumstance, give me a call. Thank you.